Welcome to the MiraCosta Library's Introduction to APA. After watching this video, you will be able to recognize where APA citations are needed and apply the basic rules of APA formatting to your writing. APA stands for the American Psychological Association. They published the APA Style Guide, and they've created a set of rules for formatting papers and citing sources. The most important thing for you to learn about APA is how to give credit to other writers. Citing sources helps you avoid plagiarism by giving credit to others for their work. You also establish credibility and make it easier for your instructor to track down the sources you've used. APA style includes formatting rules about headers, font size, and margins. APA papers also include a title page. You can use the APA formatting template on the library website to make sure your paper follows the correct format. APA also has rules about citing any information used in your paper that isn't yours. Each time you use information that is not your own, you must include two things in your paper. One, an in-text citation with brief information about the source, and two, an entry on the references page with the full details of the source. In-text citations go in the body of your paper and are used for direct quotes and summarized or paraphrased information. For paraphrases, the in-text citations usually include an author's last name and publication year. For quotes, you should also include a page number, if there is one. The references page belongs at the end of your paper. It is an alphabetical list of the full information about each source used in your paper. The details usually include information like author, publication date, title, and DOI. APA has rules about which details to include and in what order, as well as how that information is formatted. So make sure that you check your citations with a librarian or with an APA style guide like the one on the library's website. This is just a brief introduction to APA style. As you write your papers, you'll probably find that you have more questions or need more detailed information. Librarians can help. The library website has lots of resources, and you can also meet one-on-one with a librarian if you need more help.